Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money internationally through RBC online banking, that is the use of the mobile app. Let's get started. Now, transferring money internationally through RBC online banking involves a couple of options, primarily the International Money Transfer Service and wire transfers. So here's a general guide based on information from RBC. Now, the purpose is for international money transfer is for sending small amounts of money to a wide range of countries, and it's accessible through the RBC online banking and the RBC mobile app. But there are limits to the amount you can send. Now, recipients have to pre-register and collect what's required for mobile app. So let's get started. Now, the first step you need to take is to open and log into your RBC mobile app. Next, select send money or move money. Next, to choose international money transfer option. Follow the prompts. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to consider that you ensure you have the correct recipient's bank details, including account numbers and any required codes like SWIFT or IBAN. It's as simple as that.